Okay, I am going to show you how to create a test or a quiz using MathXL. I'm also going to show you how to assign it to students and share it with teachers. So once you are signed into MathXL, you want to go to the Homework and Test Manager, and you will create an assignment. Just like you're creating a homework assignment, but you'll choose test or quiz. First step is to name your quiz. So let's say this is the 2-1-2-3 quiz. And this part up here just tells you what category it'll pop up in within the grade book. We are going to create the quiz using the online test bank, just like we do our homework. Then we'll go next. We'll pick out our questions. Again, this is very similar to what you do with when you pick out your homework questions. So let's say I want to use questions from section 2. I'll pick a few of these questions. I can add it to the quiz. I'll grab a couple from another section. You can grab a few of these. Let's say this solving applications question I want to make worth more points. I can change the point value over here, make it worth 2 points instead of 1. You can add as many questions as you want here to the quiz. I'm going to keep it a short quiz right now. You can go to the next screen, which will give you all your options. You can choose to give this quiz in class. You can assign it for kids to do at home. If I want it to be done during school, I can pick a day that I'm going to give my quiz. We can have it start when the class period starts. Let's say it starts at 10 a.m. And then we can have it end an hour later so that students can only complete it at school. I would allow partial credit with the questions with multiple parts. You do not need a password or anything. Because it's a quiz, you can limit the number of attempts to maybe 1, possibly 2 tries. This part down here with number or incomplete attempts, this is if something happens while they're taking their quiz. I think students are expected to complete the quiz in one session, especially if it's going to be done at home or at school. You want it to be done in one session. You can let them go back and re-access it if it's interrupted. You can pick how you want that to run with your students. You can give your students a certain amount of time. Let's say we give them 35 minutes to work on this quiz. And it'll even give them a timer to count down as they're taking their quiz. You can scramble the questions. I would do that if we were in the computer lab. This way students can't look at each other's screens. And then you can also change what options they have available to them. Nothing pops up unless you let it pop up for their help menu. So then the review options down here, when they're done with their quiz, they can either see their quiz score and their question results, or they can only see their score, or all of that can be hidden from them. They can just see what they get in the grade book later, however you want to choose that, and then their results can go to their study plan, and then I would allow other instructors to import the assignment. This way your coworkers can grab that assignment or that quiz and use it with their students. Your last step, you will save and assign, and then the quiz will be ready to go when your students come into the computer lab.